Good evening. It's indeed an honor to be here amongst all the august gathering here, the awardees, Dr. Sanjay Srivastava, and ladies and gentlemen. The students here, their young, eager faces make us feel much younger than we are. And it's a long day for you guys, so thank you for being here and have the patience to hear us out. I have 10 minutes here. I will not take much time in that. And not much gyan I can offer to you guys because you are the bright young students and you have the internet age, you know most of the things. But whatever we can offer you from whatever journey we have had, and that's what I'll tell you about. I will first speak to you about learning. Unlike most of the MBA students here who are going to get a degree very soon, I'm not so fortunate. I couldn't complete my MBA because of family circumstances. But however, that did not deter me from my zeal for learning and my zeal for getting more knowledge. And over the years, that has never let me behind any other MBA student. It's also because learning is a continuous process. And as I went along and did various courses across, it helped me understand that what we call as learning is not there only in the books which we get here and the degree which we get here. The degree which we get here is not a passport to success. It is a door opener, but along the way, you have to keep on imbibing and learning and adjusting to circumstances as you go along. Next year, I go to Harvard for an 8-week course, and that completes the cycle. And the lesson here is not that you can stop dreaming about. It is not about the dreaming part of it, that what you dream also. It's also about the fact that today there is no limit where you can achieve just because of, I would say, being positive, being passionate about what you do, and keeping on moving ahead as you go along. Second thing I want to speak about is positivity. As we go along in life, a lot of negative forces are there across us. And there will be people who will say that you cannot do this, you cannot do that. It's like a boat, which is a small boat in a big ocean. You would find that no ocean can actually sink a boat until the water gets into it. So until negativity gets inside you, nobody can actually bring you down. So it's up to you which company you want to keep and how you want to be. I have yet to see anybody who is very positive at the bottom of a ladder, and yet to see somebody who is negative at the top of it, and not for very long anyway. So positivity, it's a belief that you have to have that if you do good, life is not fair and it will never be. At the same time, people are not bad. It's circumstances which make them as they are or as they are not. It is for us to take the good with that and never stop trusting and believing. None of us here who have achieved something can do without a team. Team which is behind us, which actually takes us forward. And you have to trust in your team, you have to believe in them, and also accept their mistakes with much more humility and respect your own mistakes. So trusting has to be part of it. You may be let down, but still keep trusting. My industry, which I work in, is not very well documented as of now, and we are not covered in general media. We are covered more in the media, which is our trade media. So allow me to tell you a bit about what we do. Supply chain, you guys know about. It is from the cradle to the grave, from the source to the consumption. In supply chain, we actually look at only the very major verticals: the automotive sector, telecom sector, retail sector. And just to give you a few case studies, what we do as an organization, we handle the entire logistics of Toyota, from every bolt going in to every car coming out for last 12 years now as a single source provider. So for them, it is just for them to assemble a car, and we give them the best practices as per the GIT system which they have. This system which we have for Toyota, they are anyway world renowned. We have replicated for companies like Hero Honda, which is in Haridwar plant. We have replicated for Bajaj Auto. We've done it for General Motors at both the plants. Done it for Volkswagen. And the same learnings we have gone a bit ahead and done it for Tata Nano. As of now, every Nano you see on the road is moved by us. So this is a part of what we have been able to Indianize. What was called Kaizen by the Japanese may be called Jugaad by Indians, but our innovationness which is there in the system. I am not a promoter. I am a professional CEO, and it is a tribute to my promoters that allow me to fiddle with the company and to work with passion. And in the end, I wish you the same passion. I wish you the spirit of entrepreneurship, and I wish you a lot of ownership of what company you work in, and I wish you peace. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
Amity Business School, on the occasion of the 6th Global Leadership Summit, honors Mr. Jasjit Sethi, CEO, TCI Supply Chain Solutions, with Amity Leadership Award in Logistics and Supply Chain Solutions. A brilliant scholar, an innovator, and a manager with a practical approach to solve problems, Mr. Jasjit Sethi very ably heads TCI Supply Chain Solutions. It's indeed a proud moment for Amity to honor one of its alumni who, with his vision, commitment, dedication, and sheer hard work, has taken his organization to a leading position in the industry. In his short but illustrious career, Mr. Sethi has several outstanding accomplishments for which he has received widespread acclaim. Today, under his dynamic leadership, the organization enjoys an enviable reputation in industry verticals of auto, retail and CP, telecom, cold chain, high-tech, life sciences and healthcare. The Amity Business School, Amity University is proud to confer the Amity Leadership Award on Mr. Jasjit Sethi for sectoral excellence in logistics supply chain solutions.